The lady asked you for her money from Thursday. And you tell us you don't have it. Are you hangler? When the woman report your Zelle, when the woman report your Zelle, at them time they send back the money and click your live now. Rose, when Rose get things from people, Rose don't want it. Me don't know what them the argument there.
Usually, my farmer friend.
Yes.
Right? 50 me an hour. She send 430 and so we split it in half. 215, 250 we go one spa. She look up this spa. Right, me tell her if you go pay for this spa, she must send no collect online or something like that. She send the money come to me Zelle. She asked me Zelle and she send the money come. Probably through everything go on and the judgment and the cussing go on. After almost 3 months time later, me just see the woman come and say, let me read it for you.
Okay, boom viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete. I've made it up on the beat and as you can see on the screen. There's a whole lot going on. What's my favorite tea list, as is my say, but I just want to kick it off with butter. Cause you don't know the thing set in my world dog were once brethren, associates, this, that, and the third. And it looked like say he has been arrested for violating probation. You see some people putting out the comment section rating about that because if you press pause and read these court documents you see in front of you, one confession for manslaughter. Yeah. You see say. So you don't know the thing said he violated probation, he was caught with a firearm and all of these good stuff. You feel what I mean? When I was fasting in people's business, I came across his mugshot from the Department of Homeland Security. Yeah, so he's facing deportation as well. You see say, not too sure what's really going on, but this is what I was able to grab real fast to give him a quick update. You know what I mean? Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. And you know, say him is the one that did kill World Dog friend Joe, you know. You see me? But nevertheless, let's proceed to the next trending topics we see out there in Jamaica. Now, Rosealee has broken silence over the viral video that, you know, we disclosed that is man and man in our things and things. Akeem and him and them put out one video that he confirmed the other day to Rosealee. It was indeed him, but that was before the people figure it out his one was some man. You see what I say? So she said, only can't trick her and she's sticking by her man. You know what I mean? As well as rubbing out Dyema. You see what I say? So I got to hear from Rosealee first and then we'll hear from Dyema at the end in response to what Rosealee is dealing with pertaining with her name out here on the internet. You see me?
The lady asked you for her money from Thursday. And you tell us you don't have it. Are you hangler? When the woman report your Zelle, when the woman report your Zelle, at them time they send back the money and click your live now. Rose, when Rose get things from people, Rose don't want it. Me don't know what them the argument there. When somebody gives somebody something for them to share, right? You can't sit down and expect that the person not gonna want them share. Because them not running down feet. If somebody has something for me, I'm not running down feet. It's not that I don't want it, I'm not running down for it. I'm not ready for it as yet. Who I refuse one of them are people last time here. Everybody want help. Them me better than for beg. What kind of message that you have sent to people? Oh, when people send Rose things, she don't want it. All of the things in my house is people give it to me. The England trip will come up now and then the banger and gonna start. Leave people alone, like when have to sick on the head or something. Somebody don't want a friend family, me leave them alone, if I want to call them name. The England trip will come up and then the banger and want to start. Because through uno travel already, me not for travel. Me not gonna make uno set me back or hold me down when I get my powers. Come off of my frack tail, make me dry it and run. Moving right along. Me not want an argument with you, no. Me don't want to argue with the money no like nice. Me come for rank. Me a back to school I come up. Next month my daughter's birthday and I'm told to bills them for pay. Me not focus on people business. Me focus on mine. How when me truly come here for. And the little man. Yeah. Me not focus on people business. Me not live sick. Me not live sick life, you know. I'm not live sad life either. Me live to enjoy every moment where I live in. And that's why Drake once said, to live doesn't mean you're alive. Someone who know alive, someone who know alive and not alive, who know boring. Yeah, live but you're not alive. Yeah, live but you're not alive. Because what? You make surround days, surround 365 days around people and them business. No, tell myself, so, all right. Check the rush of me, Rosealee here. If I don't like you, me now watch your live. Me not even want to reach live. If I don't like you, I'ma say upon the FYP with that video, me make sure I block the video. So there's no way me can depay your live. There's no way me go in our comment section and talk about you. When me like a person, me don't want to see you because the sights of you irritates me so much. But don't even want to see no. Over upon this internet, you have showed me that I don't know, 8 people is an obsession and I can't take a reject when somebody don't want to chat to no. That's the problem. And 8 people who adore them so much. Who want automatically be them in so much ways. But what? Just start a life and me pay too much I want. We over here though. You don't want automatically be them in so many ways. You can't take rejection. You can't accept a fact, say. Somebody don't want a friend for you. Someone has to understand. When someone don't accept the fact, you know. When you don't accept the fact, say somebody don't want a friend for you. And someone don't accept the fact, say one man don't want to know. When in reality it you still not accept it. Me accept all facts, you know. Because if a girl or a boy don't want a friend for me keep my distance. And if a man don't want me know what to do. You need to accept the facts. And stop being obsessive with people. You not give me one obsession now. Stop being so obsessed. When me like people, the remembrance of them, I don't want to remember you. Me not see you. Me not fast with you. But don't have deep obsession about people. Every day you don't want to remember them. And every day you don't chat for people soon. No? And the viewers now soon, you know. I don't know, get the concept. Whatever you do and say does not change the price of rice. If rice are fat, like so be for fat. You don't get that all no? Sick and sad. Because if me no say one man no want one girl, why every day want to come on internet to prove how much the man no want the girl? That means me sick and sad. Because if I know that, what I need to prove to say me know that for? Me don't know that already. Chow, me know him no want she, chow. That is it. But someone is sick and sad. Nothing for that about her? No, sir. The man come on me yard one night and I make one video. I post it. I say one girl type and I need the comment section. Before my black car. You should have him in your bed. I say, look how easy for blood clad trick. But type my man. Oh no, should I have him in your when you can't have him in your bed and take one picture, he may be your man. I say look how easy for trick. Me coulda go in my bed topless. And tell him to lie down topless too. Pretend like him asleep and take one picture too. And post it too. Me coulda do that. It's not hard for do. But I don't need to prove shit to nobody. Sometimes I not even want to convince myself about certain things. I live my life. I want to feel alive. And let the boy me feel alive, so be it. I eat me at work with. I don't need to prove nothing to nobody. So each time the man come to Miami, I need to prove same day here. I don't know who name Rosealee. Come in. I don't live in the internet, you know. I don't live for no. I don't care what I want to say. When me don't rank my money, me not have to surf the FYP. Me not have to scroll. When I come here and rank my money like my life, can go turn on my TV. Can go outside. Now what is?
Put in the comment section, oh, do you think it's delusional in all them thing? Yeah? Like I said, I don't know if these T-listers are scamming. Oh, no, you know. You see me, I say, with them teeth in Muslim business and all them thing, you see me. But nevertheless, let's hear from Dyema and see what she has to say real fast.
Yeah, me usually, me farmer friend.
Yes.
Right? 50 me an hour. She send 4:30 and so we split it in half. 2:15, 2:50 we go one spa. She look up this spa. Right, me tell her, if you go pay for this spa, she must send no collect online or something like that. She send the money come to me Zelle. She asked me for me Zelle and me send her me Zelle and she send the money come. Probably through everything go on and the judgment and the cussing go on. After almost 3 months time later, me just see the woman come and say, let me read it for you.
Chad, push up the score. This not look good. Can we get to 100K likes? Yeah.
Let me read it for you. I want to remember what she write. I don't like tell lie on people. 3 months later.
Dyema, the lady just called you so and tell us that she want back the money. So what transpired? That's what me.
Nothing. The lady just see it here. Me just see the lady say. The lady text me. That must be Tuesday, last week Tuesday. She said, did you ever split the spa money with the lady, the next lady that we used to party? The fund was for you and the next lady.
Yeah.
To have a relaxing as a true the next lady supporter. As a true the next lady supporter, I am someone that I consider to be her friend. Trusted you when I send it, like me when TV. Anyway, she said, I won't be mean. I won't be mean and do what everyone is asking me to do. So obviously, she discussed with the people and the people matter that if you can take it back for me. And she claims it's a private matter. So if it's a private matter, why she text and say, I won't be mean and do what everyone is asking me to do and request all the funds back. I'm a woman of my word. When I said it, it was for the both of you. So please give road the people the other half of the funds. So me just request back your money. So me send this.
Hey, request back your money.
Me send this.
Hey, request back your money.
Let me send this again.
Last time I didn't want to send nothing to me. Because when you don't send no money, I should not want to take you and chat up on the mouth. I never beg you nothing, lady. Request back your money. Tired of one now, man.
Yeah,
I'm here more supporter. What you not doing on my phone? When you come send the money for me never ask if you do no spam, me never ask if you no money, me tell Rose you send the money, Rose about take it. Me no argument with you, Rose support, I want to do on my phone. I want to no party, just not take no set for me, you request back your phone.
That me tell her.
But so somebody can send gift and ask it back for it back. You see what I tell you? These people, some of them just them gift I have, not for them, only gift you.
I mean, I like take nothing for nobody. Tashana, thank you, Trudy, thank you, VIP, thank you, everybody, thank you.
Yeah, like I said, a whole lot is going on within the favorites, but this was just one quick update. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I suggest you do so and turn on the notification bell. Then press all, therefore you'll be notified whenever I drop the latest in dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Bless.